2025 Polestar 3 starting at $68,900. With a handsome design and the requisite high-riding seating position, the 2025 Polestar 3 joins the flood of electric SUVs pouring into the market. Volvo's spinoff EV brand has produced only cars to date, though the Polestar 2 could be seen as either a tall car or a low-riding SUV. There will be no such confusion concerning the 3, which will go on sale sometime in the second half of 2024. We'll admit to being smitten with its streamlined roofline, prominent fenders, and dramatic wheel arches. The SUV's cabin looks rich too, with a clean design and high-end materials. A 295 horsepower rear-wheel drive model is standard, but we like the more powerful 483 horsepower all-wheel drive model. For speed freaks, the optional performance trim boosts that to 510 horsepower and adds unique 22-inch wheels, summer tires, and a tweaked suspension system. We had the chance to drive the Polestar 3 in Europe and are happy to report both all-wheel drive models deliver snappy acceleration. Every 3 comes with an adaptive suspension system with active dampers and air springs, but the performance package includes a sport-tuned version of the suspension. Handling is surprisingly agile. A torque vectoring rear differential helps curb understeer and gives the Polestar 3 a more planted feel through fast cornering maneuvers. When we get a chance, we'll take the new Polestar 3 to our test track and update this story with test results and more driving impressions. 0-60-mile times. With its more robust electric motors, Polestar says the performance model will sprint to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. But after getting a chance to drive both models, we think that time is conservative and estimate that the long-range dual-motor trim will hit 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. And the performance trim will do it in as little as 4.2. Range, charging, and battery life. All models come with the same 107. The driving range is a decent 350 miles per charge for the standard model, 315 for the all-wheel drive one, and 279 miles for the performance. All models can be charged quickly via a DC fast charging connection. It's also equipped with an array of active safety features, and Polestar has future enhancements planned that include Volvo's lidar technology, which will supposedly enable full self-driving sometime in the future. The company is also planning a second SUV called Polestar 4, which will be a fastback-bodied version of the 3. What's new for 2025? The Polestar 3 is the third entry in Polestar's slowly expanding lineup and the brand's first SUV model. The 3 will also be the first Polestar built in America, joining the S60 sedan and next-gen XC90 SUV at Volvo's new plant in South Carolina. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Polestar. Polestar 3 starts at $68,900 and goes up to $81,300 depending on the trim and options. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Polestar has decked out its first SUV model with plenty of convenience and luxury features.